And in that entire period, I remember as a team how each one of us here, and of course all of our colleagues, worked around the clock. We spent days and nights here in the office. Rhythm, you were also here during the coverage. I think
yes.
We were non-stop 24/7 for those 5 or 6 days.
Even in the evenings and nights, I remember, in fact, being on air 2 a.m., Niranjan and I and Shravan, we were wondering who's going to take a break, and then one of us used to get on. Abhishek, of course, was there. And I remember the statement that Arnab was talking about. The Indian Army, 8 a.m. in the morning, had stated, today morning, Indian Armed Forces targeted air defense radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan. Indian response has been in the same domain with the same intensity. I then remember Rakshita, who'd actually come out there. In fact, even the visual that we were playing out, she had told us all the places that we targeted. Bhavalpur, Muridke, she'd already got it from the sources that were there in Jammu and Kashmir, clearly indicating that this was a strike on the very heart of Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar.
And by the time, Harsha was also, I think we have another clip because I want to relive the moments of that. There was immediately by early that day, the first day, there was a report from Harsha on a drone attack. And this is, viewers, please remember, this is unanticipated nature of footage, drones, by the way, have been around since the mid-90s for the United States. But in India, we've never seen drone warfare.
This was drone warfare.
Drone warfare. So this clip was very interesting. Please have a look at this.
I'll show you the visuals also because continuous noises and firing could also be heard here. I'd like to show you the visuals because at first at 1:28 p.m. when we heard the heavy noises, we got to know that the first strike was initiated from the side of Mender and Balakot. These are the visuals. We are continuously hearing heavy shelling and this firing and this firing and this firing continuously. We have seen this firing from two sides. Near Mender, there's one side of the area, Surankot, and the other side of the area is Degwar. And right now I'm in the middle of the Mender and